Dear students, today we will study English for class 7. Open your books at page 74. Question is, separate the sentences in present perfect tense from the following. Separate the sentences in present perfect tense from the following. Students had already reached the station. We have to separate the present perfect tense. And students had already reached the station. It is past perfect tense. So, we avoid it. He has not acted upon my advice. So, has acted present perfect tense. We have finished our homework. Have finished present perfect tense. He had reached home by evening. Had reached past perfect tense. Not needed. The patient has taken medicine. Has taken is present perfect tense. The room had been cleaned before the guests came. So had been cleaned is past continuous tense. Has been cleaned past perfect tense. Before the rainy season has set in. Has set in present perfect tense. The sun had set when we reached home. Had set is past perfect tense. So the present perfect tense is number 2, number 3 question, number 4 and number 7. Number 1, number 4, number 6 and number 8 are past perfect tense. Next question is active and passive voice. What is active voice? When the subject of a sentence is the doer or actor, the verb is in active voice. It is so because the subject is active, such as I do this work. Passive voice. When the subject of a sentence is acted upon, the verb is in passive voice. It is so because the subject is passive, such as the work is done by me. So he has asked us to change the active voice into passive voice. Active voice is Zoya opened the window. In this sentence, Zoya is subject, opened is verb, and the window is object. So what we have to do is we have to change the object into subject and subject into object, and verb will be the third form. So the Zoya opened the window, it will be changed into passive voice like this. The window was opened by Zoya. So the object is changed into subject, subject is changed into object. The window was object, now it is subject. Zoya was subject, now it is object. The window was opened by Zoya. Next question is rules for changing active voice into passive voice. Rule number 1. The object of the verb in the active voice becomes the subject of the verb in the passive voice. Rule number 2. The subject of verb in the active voice becomes the object in the passive voice, generally preceded by the preposition by. Rule number 3. The main verb is changed into the past participle form and it is preceded by the correct form of the verb to be in passive voice. Rule number 4. There are some verbs with two objects. In such cases, either of the object Preferably, the personal object can be changed into the subject and the other is retained as an object. This object is called as retained object. So this was all about the rules of changing active voice into passive voice. Now the next question is, change the following sentences into passive voice. Water or land pollution adversely affect the environment. So we will change the environment is adversely affected by water or land pollution. Poisonous gases affect plants and human life. So the plants and human life is affected by poisonous gases. Noise produces several harmful effects. Several harmful effects are produced by noise. Noise disturbs sleep. Sleep is disturbed by noise. Direct sewage into river causes cholera and typhoid. Cholera and typhoids are caused by direct sewage into rivers. So this was the all about changing the sentences from active into passive voice.